Yo, somebody told Daddy to throw that instrumental on. Oh, we about to freestyle up in this mother. Oh, Yo, I went to New York. I only eat pork with a spoon and a fork. And I don't play no games. And I don't like no lames. I was walking down the hallway and I was late for class. I don't never do no homework. And I hope I pass. I could freestyle, y'all. I just killed it. Whew, whew. 90 bars of fire. Yeah, you ready to go? You ready to go, son? You ready to go, son? You ready to go?
My name is Dottie. Gotta use the potty. Hit you with the shotty. Let's get some bodies.
No fingerprints, no fingerprints.
No fingerprints, no fingerprints.
Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity. We about to get you. Cypher. Alright, every time I say something, I'm gonna say like 3 bars, 4 bars. Then you gonna jump in and say a few bars, alright?
Alright.
I don't care. I look like Martin in the sky. And I don't care what you say about Remy Ma. Cause she my girl. And I love Remy Ma like the world. Cause that's my favorite rapper. And when I grow up, I wanna be an actor. Woo! Woo! Alright.
Wait, no fingerprints, no fingerprints. Damn.
Jump in.
Alright. Alright. Christmas is around the way. We're gonna get the presents and play all day.
Spit that.
And I'm on the flame, aim flow. You already know.
Yo.
I'm cooling it, spooling it.
Yo, don't cut my rhymes off. I spit meat and bones. And I don't even care. That's my fried yachts. My fried yachts.
The fried yachts.
And when we spit, it sounds so mean. Me and Daddy best friend, cha beats. I just killed it. And oh, we nigga-ramas. That's what we nigga-ramas.
Them niggas got the nigga ears right now. Because together.
Oh, raise your hand in the air.
Wait. I just had a random orgasm.
Wait, we rapping. I'm about to hit the stage, about to get the mic, about to go hit you with a pipe. I don't even care. I'm reckless like that. And Daddy know she got my back. And I don't know. Ooh, y'all niggas think y'all big. Y'all trying to get killed if y'all messing with me. I'll be in the studio spitting like 9 bars. Then I jump in like 9 cars. Oh, tell me I'm not nice, Daddy. Throwing that freestyle, getting that. Ooh, almost bust my fried yachts.
Almost bust the fried yachts out here. She about to bust her ass on the way to class. She got no hallway pass. Oh,
walking to class, but I went and got a bathroom pass. When I went in a bathroom, some girl was busting that ass. I said, "What you doing, girl? You a little smut." She said, "Nah, I'm just trying to catch a nut." Woo!
She was like, "Nah, I'm just trying to catch a nut."
Ooh.
And I'm like, "Chill, my yokes. What is you doing? I seen this shit and now I'm suing." Oh. Fire. Spit that fire.
Play with me. For building. I'll get crib.
I'll smack your shit.
Crack your shit. That's it. I was looking at the playlist, what I'm gonna play next, and then I said, "Yo, Lex, throw on the next song." She said, "Yeah, this one, you can't even go wrong." Oh, word, throw that on. I need to hear that before I'm gone. Yo, son, I'm about done. I thought I only had to spit One bar.
Crickets.
Crick, crick, crick. Alright, that's it. You got any last words?
Peace out, my fridios.
Yo, comment under this video
You have to.
and tell us how fire my rhymes is.
Oh, and if you have any requests about what you want us to do,
What you want to see next?
just hit us up. The aim flow. It will be after in the credits. We'll have our aim flows, okay?
Oh, yeah. The aim flow will come next. Don't be hitting me up asking me who wrote my rhymes.
It was us.
I know it's that sick, but I freestyled it off dome. I know it's hard to believe, but for real.
We're gonna be the next Dasha Tiva Kunisha Dola Timrika Akatish Koisha Mashatika the third. Okay? Woo!
What's up, Barbie?